Yes, we start again here and choose the correct answers. Which of these was used to transmit urgent messages in olden times? Uh, Telegraph. Okay. Transmit urgent messages is telegraph. Which of these are means of mass communication? Radio, television, newspaper, all of these. Who invented the television? Babbage, Marconi, Armstrong, or none of these. Babbage had invented the television. And which of these enables us to watch live action? Radio, television, magazines, newspaper. Television. Which of these is the fastest means of communication? Postal service, internet, newspaper, none of these. Internet. Okay. The E is internet. Okay, I'll do it. Choose the correct answers. Answer A is telegraph. B is all of these. C is the first one, bad. D is television. E is internet. Okay, unscramble the letters from the correct words. First one is telegraph, second one is telephone, third one is mobile phone, fourth one is television, third one is internet, and fifth one is internet. Okay, how was communication developed over the years? How can you categorize the means of communication? Do you feel it is important for us to communicate? Why? What are the different means of communications that you use? List the various means of mass communication. Write a note on the importance of newspaper. I'll give you all these 5 answers in the next class. That's on Thursday. And I'll put it up before Thursday. I'm going to put it up. I'll make a PDF of the answers and put it up for you on your on your download section in your website, so that you can go ahead and see it and check it out there. Okay, so till then I have given you all these. If you have any other issues, I'll try to write it down again for you and show it to you, or I'll make a PDF and send it to you, so that will be much more easier for you to understand. But I guess you would be able to do it. You have to do it yourself. Okay, and you must know how to do it. So I have told you, so everything is explained here. I have told you everything, so you have to just rewind the way. You have to go back, play back, you go back in the video and see what I have said, and everything will be there again for you. So okay, so take care of yourselves and be good and do your studies and your writing pages as well. I hope you are doing your writing pages every day. One page I had asked for, I had requested for. I cannot order you on online, so it's not, does not look good. And neither do I ever ordered any of the guys in school also in my classes. I have just requested you to, I need that writing every day, so that it's good. You will keep in touch in your writing and you get your fingers and all set. And so you were in class 4, you were writing differently. Now you have to write a little bit more in class 5. In class 6 you have to write with a pen. So it's going to be, so you have to get into that habit, So if you are not writing now, please do start writing. It doesn't matter from when you start, but again I'm telling it to you today. If you have not done for a few days, please do it every day. Just take out 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes for one page of writing, a good page of writing, and you decide from where you want to write. So that also goes inside your head, and you are able to do everything according to your way. Okay. So take care, guys. Be at home and be safe, and do whatever you want after you do your studies. And I'll meet you on Thursday. We'll do with a new chapter, but I just want to go through this chapter once again in one video. I'll do it for you. I'll just go through it and explain with the question and answers. I'll read it out to you, and after that we'll go to our next chapter. And the next chapter is, I guess, of natural disasters. What are natural disasters and all? Earthquakes, winds, and cyclones, and volcanoes and whatnot. This corona which happened, that's also a natural disaster. It's actually rather a pandemic than a disaster. It's a huge thing. So anyways, so be home and be safe and take care of yourselves and be good and respect your parents every day, and learn from them, and don't fight and don't be naughty, but little bit of naughtiness is okay. So but take care of yourselves. Okay, bye bye. See you on Thursday. God bless. Do whatever you want now. Bye bye.